my name's Taylor and welcome to my channel. I am so excited you're here. In this video, we're going to be talking all about how to make money on the TikTok platform and with TikTok. Right now, TikTok is one of the best social media platforms to go viral on, to build your audience, and just have a small business and market it with. So before we get started, if you're interested in this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up button. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you'll get notified for all the future videos about working from home, making money from home, and all over mom lifestyle content. So I'm so excited, and let's get to the video. So our first option is the first choice, which is probably what everyone thinks about, and it is getting paid through the TikTok Creator Fund. So the TikTok Creator Fund has some skeptical rumors about whether if you end up joining it, it might suppress your views. There is no proof or data to back that up, whether it suppresses your views or not. So you want to take that with a line of caution, but as far as what I have seen for what you actually get back on your views and what you get paid for on your views, it's a very low amount. They have requirements. I think you need 10,000 followers and like 100,000 views in the previous 30 days. It's not a huge amount. If you are doing it for fun, and maybe you do get a lot of views on your content, it's just like lifestyle content, funny stuff, like you're not monetizing your business in any way, go ahead and join it. And until you grow it to a larger thing, when you start monetizing it, if you decide to do it, then that's when you can start looking at other options. But if you're just doing it for fun and you have the views, you have the audience and the following, go ahead and join it. Like it can't hurt. Unless you do notice that it's suppressing your views, and that's a whole nother story. Another way you can make money from TikTok is by marketing and selling your digital and physical products. So for instance, there are a lot of small business like Etsy shop owners on TikTok, and a lot of their videos are based off of promoting what they're selling. They're promoting their physical products. They're creating a cool video that people enjoy watching, and it helps grow their following, it helps grow their reach. People that are actually interested in their product are finding their product and going from their TikTok page to their Etsy shop and buying that product. I have seen some amazing Etsy shops completely blow up on TikTok and just go viral and get so many sales from it. So TikTok is a great way to get your product out to your target market and just really get it out as far as possible, and a lot quicker than you would if you were just promoting it on Facebook or Instagram. So another way you can make money on TikTok is if you have a business and you have something such as a email list. A really good way to promote people to sign up for your email list is to create a lead magnet or some type of freebie. So for instance, one of my products is a Pinterest management course. So a freebie that I have for people to sign up for my email list is a how to get started on your Pinterest management guide. So people can download that for free and then they get on my email list. And I have gotten a huge amount of email list signups specifically from TikTok because people saw a video of me talking about starting up their own Pinterest management business and they're super interested in it. So they go to my website, they grab my freebie for that guide, and they get on my email list. And this is a really great way because you can get people on your email list and start funneling them into your business, have them follow you on your different social media accounts. Maybe you have a Facebook community, maybe you have other small digital products or even physical products, and getting people on your email list is another great way to get them within your business funnel and eventually getting them to purchase your product or even just get to know them better, engage with them, and all of that. It's a really good funnel to start, especially if you have a small online business. Super beneficial, super awesome. You can make money on TikTok is by doing TikTok lives. So I'm not super huge on live videos, like they're not my favorite, but I know a lot of creators do TikTok lives, and they make money from people giving them what are called gifts. And people give gifts, and that gives them coins, and those coins and gifts turn into money. I don't know the exact formula on how that works, but that is definitely another way to look into doing lives. And if people like your content, you're entertaining, educational, informative, people will give back to you, and that's a really cool way to bring in some extra income as well. And in general, TikTok is just a really great way of getting your videos to go viral, reaching your target audience, and just getting all of your content and your business out to those people who you're already trying to market to. By using TikTok, you can bring them, again, like I said, to your email list. You can bring them to your other social media platforms, such as, your Facebook group, your Instagram page, your YouTube, any other social platform that you have your business on. Especially if your business is more local. I know a big thing with TikTok is that they push your videos out to people that are local to you first, or within like your state or your region. So that could be a really great way for local businesses to reach their localized audience and get more people interacting that are actually near them versus just sending their videos out to someone, in a completely different country. So no matter what type of business you have, TikTok really has an audience for you, because there's just so many different target markets, so many different audiences and demographics on the platform. So like I said, regardless of your business, it is so amazing, and there are just so many different ways that you can make money from it, whether you are directly making money on TikTok or it's an indirect way of funneling them into, a different platform and making money that way. Anyways, these were just a few ways you can start making money on TikTok, and just so you can see the potential that TikTok has. Whether you have 1,000 followers or 1,000,000 followers, you want to make sure the audience that is following you is engaging with your videos and your content, because the more people that are engaging with your content, the more likely your videos are to get pushed out to more and more and more people, and for your videos to start going viral and just getting the normal 500 to maybe 1,000 views if your account is smaller, because you want to keep getting your videos reach out further and further and further. That way you're getting 10,000 views, then 100,000 views, and possibly even 1,000,000 views if you get enough reach and engagement, and the content that you're putting out is something that people are actually interested in and wanting to learn more about, or whatever it is that you are talking about. If you have any questions about TikTok and making money on TikTok, I would love to see what you think about in the comments. I personally don't have 1,000,000 followers, but I have directly made money from TikTok. So that's what I mean by at the time of this video, I have about 6,000 followers on TikTok, but I have made over $1,000 from leads that I have gotten from TikTok, which is such a cool thing. So post your comments below if you have any questions about making money from TikTok. Otherwise, if you like this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will talk to you soon.